Hey guys, so this is how you're going to connect a domain from Godaddy to Shopify. So step one is you're going to open your Shopify. So log in to your Shopify admin, and on the left sidebar, you're going to scroll down and then you're going to click on settings at the left side panel. And then step two is you're going to head over to domains right here. And then once you're on the domains page, you're going to click on connect existing domain. So just click on connect existing right here at the top of your screen. And then from here, you're going to enter your domain. Just type in your GoDaddy domain name that you own, and then you're just gonna click on next. So this one actually applies to all domains. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to be adding whatever domain that I currently have. So it might not lead to GoDaddy, but this one is actually just the same process. So you're just going to click on next, and then Shopify will detect GoDaddy, and then you're going to click on connect automatically. So you have here your DNS records. Now, if it's from GoDaddy, you should see GoDaddy right here instead of Hostinger. Now, what you're going to do next is you're gonna click on I updated DNS records if you want to update these. But once you see your GoDaddy account right here, you're just going to click on login, and then you're going to log in with your GoDaddy username and password, and then you're going to approve the connection. So again, just hit on login, and if this is GoDaddy, once again, you're gonna have to log into your GoDaddy account. And after that, if the automatic setup fails, Shopify will allow or will show DNS records. You're going to have to copy them and paste into GoDaddy, and then head over to domain and then manage DNS, and then update the A record and CNAME as instructed. But usually this works. You don't need the manual setup anymore. The automatic connection actually works very well. And that's it. That is how you're going to connect domain from GoDaddy to Shopify. If you found this video helpful, then please like and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.